viewers, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm taking you all through the install and styling of this 40-inch wig from Addictive Hair. I did buy this wig 100% myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored. I will link the wig in the description box. I haven't had a side part in a minute, so I was so excited to install this wig. But we are going to go ahead and get into this video together. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so here is my 40-inch wig from Addictive Hair on AliExpress. So this is a 13x6 wig, so if you watch my unboxing, I already showed you all the inside of this wig. But here it is, and then it comes with an elastic band. But we are going to install this baby together. Like, bam, look at that. It's so pretty. And we're gonna have to style this because I think I wanna do a side part today. But let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut off this little excess lace part in the back. So let's get that off of there. Last night I did add like one row of extra tracks in here. It didn't need it when I actually looked at it, but I tried a little something. It just ended up being too hard. I really need to get a sewing machine because I know that would be way easier. You can see like this is where I added the track. So I haven't added much hair to it, but yeah, that's my sewing. It's not that good. So first thing we're gonna do is add a little lace tint to the lace and make it a little bit closer to my skin tone. So right now it was snowing like Monday, and like it's been ice for the past few days. So this is day 3 with no water, you guys. I do not have water in my apartment right now. I think the pipes froze or something. Like, this is ridiculous. So I'm like, what else is there to do other than make videos? So here I am. Let me blow dry this a little bit. Uh-oh, I just got some lipstick on my freaking jumpsuit right there. Don't look at that. Oh man, I did not add enough lace tint. Okay. So bam. I haven't been like forehead free in a minute. Like, I've been having bangs for a minute, so I haven't like just shown my forehead space. So let's see where this hair is falling on me. So right now, this is where the hair is. Of course I need to brush it, but yeah, the hair looks good and long and beautiful. Like, bam. So let's install this wig really quickly. I'm gonna turn on my hot comb. Let's actually do a full install right now because what else is there for me to do? So I'm going to start by cutting 2 slits into the temple area. So here and here, because I like to work in sections. And also, since I know I want a side part, I'm gonna shift the wig just a little bit over this way. So let's try to see where my side part would be. So I'm shifting it enough to where, Tommy please, shift it enough to where I can still get my nice like U-shaped side part, but not too much to where when I wanna do a middle part, I can switch back over to my middle part. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry I had to go be a dog mom really quickly. But firstly, we are going to mold this down. So this is just like a slick stick from Luster's. Here you go, here it is. And then we're gonna hit it with the hot comb just to make sure we see what we're doing when I lay this wig down. Like, I just wanna make sure my side part is where I want it to be. So yeah, that's really where I like my side part. It's about right here. And I'm probably gonna pluck inside of the part a little more later. But let's go ahead and free these ears. Because I did shift this wig, I'm going to have to cut a little bit of the hair off on this side, just so it makes like sense and it isn't covering my whole ear. Okay, bam. Part of it. Okay, yeah, so we didn't have to cut too much. But yeah, this is still, my ear is still kind of folded. Let me cut a little more. Okay, bam. So now the ear is free. And we also need to free this ear still because they just give you so much excess lace. Okay, And this ear is free. So now we can actually get to the gluing part. Let me see, is this where I like my side part? Does this look normal? Yeah, that looks pretty good. So yeah, let's get to the actual gluing part of this. So I'm going to be using bolt hold today to secure my wig. Glue it down, glue it down. Let's see. Let's start with the middle section first. So I'm doing like a pretty thin layer. Like you do not want it too thick at all because it's just, we're doing multiple layers, so you do not want it too thick. And I'm putting my blow dryer on the cool setting. If you don't have this, a lot of times there is cold here too, but I'm just gonna use cool. Okay, so that looks clear enough to me. So we are going to go ahead and start on the second layer. And we're gonna do that again. Okay, we are going to do the last layer in the middle, but we still have to do the sides. I'm just gonna fast forward through that. I'm not gonna bore y'all with how I do the sides. It's gonna be the same way. I'm gonna do 3 layers like this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lay this part down now. It's about where I want it to be. Ooh. And I'm going to use any kind of flat surface to like kind of flatten this a little bit to where it's adhering to the glue. Bam, 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 you guys, like there. I'll get closer. And then let's move on to these other sides. I really feel like in hindsight, I feel like I wish I would have did all of these at the same time. I really want my hair to look really glamorous and big. So we're gonna have to cut layers. And I always am so scared cutting layers in 40 inches. Like you just see all that hair fall to the ground. But I want my hair to be like a glamorous side part. That's what I used to love in high school, college so much. A nice, beautiful side part. I haven't had one of those in a minute. So we're gonna do these 2 sides at the same time because I'm kind of anxious to get to the styling point. And I know y'all are anxious to see how this is gonna turn out. So. I'm sorry, y'all. I just brought my plant in here because I was like, let me make this look a little more pretty. So I was like, let me bring my plant in here. But yeah, just ignore that. I'm over here trying to make a TikTok and do this, but just ignore the plant. Or appreciate it. Whichever one, it's up to you. Okay, so I don't normally tie a band around my hair when I'm just like doing my hair like normally, but I think I might do it this time. I'm gonna do it this time. So I don't have any bands of my own, but you know, companies always include like a little band these days. So let me just choose this, but obviously this company did not send this wig. This wig is from AliExpress. Of course, I'm gonna link it. This is just a random band, so do not get confused. It's not from this company. They did not send me a 40 inch. If they sent me a 40 inch, y'all would never hear the end of it. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing off. I'm too anxious to get into this thing. I'm ready to get into it now. Get into it, get into it. So, I'm going to take my eyebrow razor and go ahead and cut off this excess lace. Be careful, do not cut your forehead. Do not cut your forehead. Be careful, girlies, be careful. I personally like to use like a duller eyebrow razor because I'm clumsy. Like I'm gonna cut myself a few times. Like y'all see, it is looking good. Okay, it is eating the girlies up. Okay, but I need to fix this little flappy part right here. Oop, the top is on, you guys, the top is on, my bad. Y'all see, I had to cut off this part because it was kind of covering my ear area. So yeah, now my ear is free. Let's make sure all of this hair is smoothed down. I do want to add a little baby hair because I love that look of baby hair right there. I'm just going in with a little bit of mousse to just get the hair giving the way I want it to give. Ooh, this looks really good, no baby hair. This is kind of eating with no baby hair. Let's add a little makeup right there because the lace is like a little light. It doesn't actually need baby hair. You could definitely stop, you guys. You could stop, but this little piece right here, I want a little baby hair. Like right here. Like, you know your edge control brush is good when it looks like this. If it doesn't look like this, I don't want it. This is how I like my edge control brushes to look. I might not have needed baby hair. I probably didn't need baby hair, you guys. I probably didn't need it. Now I'm like, I kind of liked it before the baby hair, but I don't know. And honestly, my favorite part of a side part is getting like this little scoop up here, right? So let's do the scoop. I'm gonna show you all how I do my scoop. So I take my argan oil. And I kind of like hold it. I make it a scoop. I make the scoop work. I make it work. Bam, so now we need to do the styling part. We need to do the styling. Another thing I love is like a good little sideburn moment. But y'all see, this is looking cute. Like you could do the straight look, but I'm not sure if I want to do straight or curl. So we're gonna head to the styling portion in a little bit. But I like a nice little sideburn, so I'm gonna cut this. Like, let me cut it. Little sideburn moment going on. You girlies with the sideburns are so lucky. Y'all are very, very lucky. Yeah, that's good enough. Like, nothing too crazy. Yeah, this looks cute. I love it. But let's head to my bathroom, and that's where we're gonna actually style this hair a little bit. Okay, guys, so I guess I'm gonna sit down so this thing can be positioned right. But we are going to go ahead and style this hair. And if I don't like the curls, then we will just be doing a little straight look, because this is actually really cute. Like, this is kind of eating. I usually don't like the way straight hair in like a side part looks, but this is kind of eating the girlies up right now. It really is. Let's see. I'm gonna just try to curl the front. Of course, we're gonna have to cut layers in it if we really do want that big full hair, but let's see how it curls. I feel like I've had curls for a minute lately, so honestly, maybe I should keep it straight. I might just keep it straight this time. And then I'll do a separate video when I actually decide to curl it. But let's at least see how it would look. Cutesy, cutesy, cutesy. Get close so you all can see. Like, yeah, that is cute. Very cute. Ooh, I like the way it like separates. Like, that is really cute. Let me turn this thing on and see if y'all can see a little better. But yeah, there it is. I kind of like raked it out a little bit, but yeah, looks cute. I think I'll just do a separate video when I decide to curl it. But let's go ahead and at least flat iron this hair. So I'm going to put a little Sleek and Shine by Fructis in all of the hair to make it shiny and give. I really do like that little curl piece right there though. That piece is kind of cute. Yeah, we're not gonna do the curls this video. We're gonna have to do that another video, you guys. I'm sorry. That little curl did not want to come out. The lace is looking really, really good. Like, you do not need HD lace for it to eat, I promise you. You just need a really good lace tint and maybe like a transparent lace, and it will still look really good. This hair is just so long, you guys. I do think when I go see Nicki Minaj, I might try to find like a 46-inch wig. Now that would be insane. If I pop out with 46 inches, yeah, y'all not gonna be able to tell me nothing. If I decide to stick with jet black and do jet black, I'm definitely gonna have something like over 40 inches. But I also might do like a long 613 that's just like maybe 40. And that will still be super cute. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments for sure. Looking very pretty, okay? Like, it is eating. La 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 la. Okay, guys. We are just about done. We are almost done. I do want to hit a few spots, touch up like this spot right here. Like it still has that curl in it. The curl does not want to leave, so that is a good sign. I do think this hair will be able to hold curls pretty well. Let's see. Let me go slow. Okay. I'm not sure why I did that, but okay. Let me get up so y'all can see what we're working with. I do think I want to clip the ends of this hair and make it like a little more even. So this is how the hair looks. Let's head back in my office because I think you can see it better in there. But yeah, this hair is looking pretty cute, pretty cute. This is how long the hair is right now, you guys. So it is probably need to touch up the straightening a little bit. But yeah, that is it for this install video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.